So now I'm going to think about how can I modify my automated habitual sleeping position to put a little bit less stress on my body, on my trunk, and on my neck. So I'm going to think about ways to give my body some support to bring it a little bit closer to its neutral or its position of least stress for more than one area of the body. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pillow with a rolled up towel. So I'm using this rolled up towel to help sort of manipulate the shape of the pillow to support my neck a little bit more, which is basically the concept of a cervical pillow. But this just allows me to sort of try it out a little bit. And the idea is to sort of fill in the space a little bit for my neck to give it a little bit more support. So it's not so crunched to the right and goes a little bit more to the position of less stress. I'm going to put a little support under my low back or my lumbar spine, and I'm going to put something in between my knees and some place for my hand to lay to help me not scrunch up my shoulder girdle. And I want this to sort of fill in that space where my cervical is so that I can sort of rest down on it, and it brings me a little bit closer to the middle. And this also brings me a little bit closer to the middle in this area. So without this, I'm much more curved to the right, and with it, I'm a little bit less curved to the right. And then pillow between the knees always helps keep a little bit of more neutral positioning or closer to the position of least stress for the hips and the low back. And it gives me some place to put my arm instead of here, which then closes down all these spaces in my neck to begin with. So these are the modifications I can make right away, and just replace that with my automated position, have my towels and my pillows ready to go so that when I lay down I can position comfortably, and it's close enough to my habitual position that it's not a big deal to make a change. And so then I need to observe if I feel better, less stiff in the morning, or kind of what kinds of how I feel sleeping and what I feel in the morning after trying different things like this.